Welcome guys to my new video. After learning flowchart, today we need to start learning the C++ programming language. In this video I need to start with the C++ language. We need to show what is C++ and what is input, output stream, and we need to show the first program in C++ that's printing hello world. So like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. First of all, what is C++? C++ is an extension of the C language. It means C++ is the C language plus the object-oriented style. C++ is a high-level language and it's very popular used around the world. And with the C++, you're using the C++, your program we can run on different computer types that different the different of the other language like the Java and the C language. Now let's see what is input and what is output. Input stream use cin object to read data. This data is entered by the user, but the output stream use cout object to display data on the screen. Like this, input use cin, program, output. The input is when I tell the user, for example, to enter a variable. This is the input. The output when I display this variable on the screen. We need to show this on an example later. Output stream. Output stream, it uses cout object like this, stt cout. We will see next an example how to use cout or the output in a program, in a C++ program. It is used to send the output to the monitor. It's mean the standard output device. It display the message on the screen, and to use cout I need to use the instruction operator to add the message to display it by the std cout. And finally, cout displays the content of variables, one variable or more variables on a screen, like this example, cout variable 1, variable 2, etc. This line display the two variable on the screen by the cout stream. Now the input stream. Input stream use cin object std cin. It used to read data from standard input stream by using the keyboard. It means I tell the user to add, for example, a variable, a number, an integer, etc. This number of this integer is an output. It added by using the keyboard. The cin or the input stream is followed by the extraction operator. It should identify the variable name you want the user to enter the value for it. This example, how to use the cin or the input stream. Cin variable, we can put also more variable, for example cin variable 1, variable 2, etc., like the cout operator. Now let's see an example. In this example, I need to tell the user to enter an integer. This example explains for us how to use the cin and cout operator in a C++ program. First, int main cout. When I use cout, I use the insertion operator, cout, enter an integer, and cin extraction operator x. X is the integer, it's entered by the user, and the cout the output stream is used to display this integer on the screen. And now let's together see the first program in the C++ programming language. This is the first program in the C++ using the C++ hashtag include iostream, using namespace std, int main, cout, hello world, and return 0. Now let's explain this program. First of all, every C++ programming language will start with this 3-line, hashtag include iostream, using namespace std, and int main. And I open the braces to write our code. In this code, I need to print hello world on the screen. I used cout because it's the output stream, and the output stream is used to print the message or display the message on the screen. Cout, hello world, and the return 0. The first line, include iostream, is a header file library. Let us work with input and output object, like the cout here. I use cout. iostream is the main input output stream. The line 2, using namespace std, it means we can use name for object or variable, for example, from the standard library. We will see the standard library in the next videos. The line 3, it's a black line. In the line 4, int main, it's a function, and any code inside this function or inside the braces will be executed. For example, here the program display hello world. And finally, cout is the output operator that print hello world on the screen. And return 0, it means the ends of the main function. The main function start here and finish when I put the return 0. The first line in the first program in C++ include iostream is a header file library that lets us work with input and output objects, like the example is used cout, the output stream. In line 2, using namespace std means that we can use name for object and variables from the standard library. Line 3 is a black line in C++ in your white space, but we used to make the code more readable. In line 4, int main is called a function. Any code inside the curly braces will be executed. In the line 5, cout is an object used together with the insertion operator to output or print the text on the screen. In the line 6, the return 0, it means the ends of the main function. And the line 7, do not forget to add the closing curly bracket to actually end the main function. That's all for today. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you later.